Welcome to Arham Design Solution. In this video, I will show how to create coordinate script in Notepad for AutoCAD. First, we open coordinate data in Excel. Then copy coordinate data and paste into Notepad. Next, remove extra space between coordinates and place comma between coordinates. Then we write first underscore multiple then press space then input underscore then we write points then save as this file dot scr extension then press on save. Now this script is ready to use in AutoCAD. Now we go to AutoCAD workspace. In command box we write script then press enter. Then select the .sc extension file. Now the coordinate is visible in AutoCAD. Now we adjust the point style size, make it 1%, then click on OK. Here we see the desired coordinate in this file. Thank you for watching my video.